is OT90L. So backside two switches. One is NCB and one is main switch. Okay, NCB is on. Now main switch is on. Now its machine is on. Where the switch on the machine, the display is turned slow way.
भाई थोड़ा आराम से हाँ, because this is 3 phase और ये temporary connection दिया है.
So then once display is set right, these parameters has appear on the display. So first one is program, second one is special programs, so what you have edit if it requires. The third one is help. Help means how to operate and its error, everything is shown on this help suggestion. This memory port it will comes again. So you have to failure history has to check and 50 program cycles has to be checked whether it is what temperature, what time, everything in the record in this memory. So if you want those memory has to be storage in your USB from displays. So you have to connect your USB and you can upload your all data from the machines. Then it will comes to settings. Settings has to be again it will comes to time and all the details, your company name and all. So again it will comes to temperature port. So this is showing at the three temperatures. One is chamber temperature, another one is sample temperature, another one is jocket temperature. Okay, if you want you can go demo further. This is for service. Service means we have to access only for service engineer, well trained or otherwise company personnel should be operate. Okay, now we start the program. See already cursor was programmed. If you want move the program into the particulars, you have to just turn it on. Okay, so now we are going to program. So next we press the program. It will show default programs of 5. Liquid programs is 2, solid programs 2 and solid peak program for 1. So liquid program is in 15 minutes and 20 minutes. In the temperature is same, only time period has to be changed. For the solid programs, temperature is different, time is same. This one is solid quick. If it is any user small chamcha like this things, no, you are using chemicals and all. So that is keep in 4 minutes. So within 4 minutes, they are sterilized them.
थोड़ा सावधानी से जाओ सर, वायर देखकर.
Then comes to special programs. These special programs can be editable. Okay, so just you can go on. See liquid programs. Set temperature is there. 105. Stirrer time. So you can modify. So if you check all those things, whatever temperature has to be in chamber. See chamber temperature, load temperature and jacket temperature. You can see.
5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes, please. Sir, I don't want to take risk. आपसे बढ़ के नहीं है वो कटे.
Okay, if it is you want to edit this program, you can go directly settings. Now the sterilization temperature is already the set at 105. So if you want, you can modify it. This is sterilization time, 1 minute per gap. So if you want, you can change. Then comes next help. Help में जा सकता है. So error explanations they are giving. See whether error 6 has to be shown on the display. The door is open.
Which
So
door?
like this door, no? Only one door open.
This is not door, no?
No. This is only that door. Okay. See every error explanation they are given in the default in the display. It will show everything. So you have to check whenever requires. Okay, error 22, high pressure. Pressure has built in the chamber is high, it is not releasing. So then it is somewhere problem in that board or somewhere in the pressurized bar. So like that. This is user orientation. It should be read carefully. 4 lines. How to use this machine like this. Then comes to memory. This memory as give the indications all cycles, error records and memory stick records and cycle info. So if it is go for all cycle info, but I think maybe no cycles because we are not started. No record as found like that. So if you older cycles also, if before 50 cycles, you have to check. No records because we have to start, then only the storage the program 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Same like error also. Error record also is given number of one, date and time what error it shows. Like that you can monitor out. So if it is in between middle, they stop the program. So why? What is the problem? What is the causes of this stop the program? Like that you can verify.
Trace back, no?
Yes. See, it is memory stick. Insert memory. You have pen drive, but
USB
data
connect
is
करके,
nothing. हाँ.
yes, yes.
So when we place the pen drive, then they ask whether transfer. Just you can enter, automatically data will storage to your pen drive. It is cycle info also. Daily cycles, total cycles, gasket cycle, cycle left. So 500 cycles after completion of this gasket,
Has
you
to
have
be
to
changed.
repeat. Yes. See, this is cycle info. Then it comes to back. Then settings. Again it comes to settings, operations. So preheating. So preheating is 50. So whether preheating is on always, it happens very useful of your time. So further sterilization time now it would have saved 50% of the time. It is already preset. Preheating is generated heat into the drum. So your sample has to be kept. It is immediately start to the sterilization phase after 10 minutes. That way they kept. Standby. So standby actives when the hand enter to save energy and the water. Otherwise standby में नहीं है था तो liquid पूरा evaporate होता रहता है. So you have to pour the water regular.
सर प्लीज रिपीट क्या बोला आपने?
So water ना sterilization water standby on हो तो sterilization होने के बाद तो पूरा बाहर नहीं जाता है steam. It should be storage. Then it should be storage. It's avoided for water refilling again and again.
So we have to provide that water connection. We have to take fresh water.
Not
each
water
day.
connection. You have to pour on the tap.
We have to pour it.
Yes. Then printer option is there, but is not supplied along with this machine. If you want extra, you
हम
can
अलग
buy.
से कनेक्ट करके कर सकते हैं.
That's it. Otherwise, you can connect with this RS232. I'll tell you all these things, please. Okay.
हेलो हेलो पकड़ना भाई एक मिनट. हेलो हाँ भाविन बोल.
So again, printer, all the alarm details, delay starts, everything is there. Okay. So if you want, you can modify. If you need preheating time, if you need printer connection, so everything. Alarm repeat time is there. If you want repeat alarms after 5 minutes once, it will give you repeat alarm. Alarm. So 1 minute or 1 minute it's giving. Same like delay starts. Suppose if you want delay start, means your load is complete.
सर
So after you want to switch on, if you keep 10 minutes delay, after 10 minutes only they start it. So this is the reason they do it. So only this comes to next.
So it will